Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to save workbook in Excel. Drag and drop workbook. Create action from activities. Drag and drop worksheet. Create action from activities. Drag and drop workbook. Save action from activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set workbook name property of worksheet. Create action to point to workbook name property from workbook. Create. Set worksheet name property of worksheet. Create action. Set workbook name property of worksheet. Save action to point to workbook name property from workbook. Create. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the task is executed successfully.